Fractal
So what's the name of the game?
Super Squad.
So this big storm that's outside, are you still having fun in the storm?
Yeah.
I know we don't have any power and we don't have any light and TV or anything, but are you still having fun?
Yeah.
Okay. Who's your favorite superhero in the game?
All the good guys and some bad guys.
Who are some of the bad guys that you like?
My favorite bad guy is Doctor Doom, but my really favorite bad guy is Mystique and Brother.
Mystique and Brother?
Yeah.
What do they do?
They can turn into anybody.
Oh wow.
Even Captain America. They can turn into any good guy or bad guy.
Wow. And what does Doctor Doom do?
His super attack.
Yeah, what is his superpower?
Like his super attack, like he flies and then he takes his electric power and then he electrics the bad guy, the other person you're versing.
He electrics the bad guy?
Yeah, like he like destroys the bad guy.
Very cool.
And then the guy.
What are some of the good guys that you like?
The good guys?
Yes.
I like Iron Man, Wolverine, Spider-Man,
Oh.
Hulk.
But there's so many. If you had to pick only one, who would you pick?
Hard choice.
Yes, it is.
Spider-Man.
Why?
Because like his super attack, when you get his super attack, like he gets a web slinging, and this is what the web slinging. This is what the web slinging is like. It's like he makes this big giant red web, but the other person can still see it. But when that person, other person you're versing is in the web, he can use his super attack on that person, and then he puts some like web power, and then he kicks that person. And
Wow.
he beats him. And then when you use Mystique, guess what her super attack is?
What? But Mystique is the bad villain, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
And Brother, he has the same power. And but when you're turned into Brother, you already know it's Brother because he's always green. When he turned into the person, he's always green.
Oh, wow.
But Mystique, when you do her super attack, guess what her super attack is?
What?
She turns into the same person who you are, and then she does that person's super attack.
Oh, wow. So if you're a Spider-Man, then she turns into a Spider-Man?
She turns into a Spider-Man and does
His superpower?
Yeah, and then she turns back to normal.
Oh my goodness.
And I think I know what the suit is for her.
What?
It's all the people because she can turn her powers. She can turn to all the people.
Wow. That's pretty cool.
I just picked a level. Oh. On that red guy, he can fly. You wanna see? Super defend is when someone does his super attack, but then when you use that, you can wait. That's good. He can't use it again. This is what he does. I'm beating him because he wasted his super attack.
Oh, wow. Look at that guy.
What?
What's his name?
He's a bad Hulk.
Oh, wow.
Oh, come on. Oh, yeah. Extra. Oh, yeah, he's getting hurt.
So this is like the best storm power outage we had, right? Because you're still having a lot of fun
Yeah.
in the candlelight.
Yeah, and guess what in the game? When he does his super attack, the person who you are, that person doesn't get hurt. Only the other person does.
Oh, wow.
When he does the power. And one of the superpowers, like those things I just got, like this thing, there's powers you can get. And guess what you can there's one of the powers are this ice gun, and guess what it does? When you shoot the person, they're iced and but for a minute.
You can freeze them.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
I have
It's like a Iceman.
Yeah,
Oh.
but it's a gun.
Ooh.
I have 5 lives and he has 5 lives. Ooh. Right on.
So what's the best part about a storm and having no light and no power?
A storm?
Yeah, what's the best part about having no light
I don't know.
and no TV and nothing?
I don't know.
You don't know? What's the worst part?
When you're alone in the dark and the other person has to shovel to go to Donald's house.
So if I have to go outside to shovel and you're alone home and there's no light, that's scary?
Yeah.
Oh, well, I'll make sure that doesn't happen. Maybe we'll do it in the morning. Is that better?
Cool, I did my super attack.
Is that better if you do it in the morning?
Yeah. Oh, come on.
So, can you make me breakfast in the morning?
No, that can't be true.
Why?
Because I'm a kid.
Because you're a kid? Oh. Well, you can still make me breakfast. I taught you how to cook, right?
I don't know how to make breakfast. I can't make your pancake.
Okay.
It's sunny side up.
Pancakes doesn't have a sunny side up. That's eggs. What are you talking about?
You can make a pancake with and next to it sunny side up.
Oh, I didn't know that.
You can put you can make a pancake and then get sunny side up, put it for the eyes, and then get fruit and then make like cream the nose and then make the mouth strawberries.
Ah,
I mean,
like a
banana.
smiley face?
Yeah.
Ooh, very cool. Can you show me how to make it tomorrow?
I cannot make it.
But can you tell me all the stuff you just told me so I can make it like that?
So
Okay.
you get a pancake.
No, but tell me in the morning when I'm in the kitchen.
Okay.
Okay.